Namaste, Vande Matram. Today's poem's name is Louder Than a Clap of Thunder. Louder than a clap of thunder, louder than an eagle screams, louder than a dragon blunders or a dozen football teams, louder than a llama or a rushing waterfall, louder than a knight in armor jumping from a 10-foot wall, louder than an earthquake rumbles, louder than a tidal wave, louder than an ogre grumbles as he stumbles through his cave, louder than stampeding cattle, louder than a cannon roars, louder than a giant's rattle. That's how loud my father snores. This poem's name is I Can. I can read my ABCs. I can say my 1, 2, 3s. I can jump and dance and sing. I can do most anything. I can learn to tie my shoes. I can learn to cut and glue. I can draw a circus ring. I can learn most anything. I can feel happy or sad. I can feel confused or mad. I can feel like a queen or a king. I can feel most anything. I come to school to learn and grow. There is so much I want to know. I will learn and grow and change. I can have fun every day. This poem's name is Keep Trying. If at first I cannot do it, I will try and try again. It may take a bit more thinking, so I will try and try again. No one succeeds by giving up, so I will try and try again. If I still cannot figure it out, so I simply will try and try again. This poem's name is See the Bug. See the bug on the rug. I will give his leg a tug. See him run, see him go. He did not like it, no, no, no. See him hop on the mop. See him hide to make me stop. I will stop, I will not tug. You are safe, my little bug. This poem's name is Catch a Little Rhyme. Once upon a time, I caught a little rhyme. I set it on the floor, but it ran right out the door. I chased it on my bicycle, but it melted to an icicle. I scooped it up in my hat, but it turned into a cat. I caught it by the tail, but it stretched into a whale. I followed in a boat, but it changed into a goat. When I fed it tin and paper, it became a tall skyscraper. Then it grew into a kite and flew far, far out of sight.